We agreed that yung bill will be limited to drug-related heinous crimes, and there are only 3 or 4 instances where death penalty will be imposed. So tanggal na yung treason, yung plunder, yung rape.
Sir, bakit po?
Kasi merong kaninang mga issues na ni-raise na meron ding effect on the economy, yung sa trade natin and so on and so forth. But that is not I guess the real reason. It is more of yung getting the consensus of the group. Parang it became easier when we limited it to just one crime. Sabi ko nga, after all, this was the original intent after we have conducted the illegal drug trade in Bilibid Prison inquiry, na we would like it imposed or reimpose death penalty for drug-related heinous crimes. And parang nauwi lang uli tayo doon, ano? But ang importante kasi we went through a process. Democratic tayo, we consulted the members, and at the end of the day, nung nilimit dun sa drug-related heinous crimes, parang bumilis at gumaang na yung ibang medyo meron pa silang misgivings on other crimes. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan, what is the compelling reason to reimpose heinous crime? And yung problema natin sa drugs is really one compelling reason, na maraming data, di ba? Hinahanapan tayo ng statistics. Dito, ang daming nakulong, ang daming natukhang, meron pang EJK and so on and so forth, etc. So it will be a lot easier to present facts and figures about reimposing death penalty for drug-related heinous crimes, because there are facts and figures that can easily be presented.
So in other words, mas may numbers kapag drug-related offenses lang?
From the response of yung members present in today's caucus, yung paulit-ulit na kami, ganun lagi yung proseso namin, and that same group are the ones putting the obstacle to a bigger consensus.